When you're getting ready in the morning, when you're exercising, or when you just need a little boost. Download Mindset and listen to your favorite motivational speeches while getting ready for the day you was going to rip his heart out. I'm the best ever, I'm the most brutal, vicious and most ruthless champion has ever been. I'll show you how much you can be, and they left you for dead. You know what that feels like, to be left for dead after you gave everything you had. So tomorrow night I'm going to smash your boy, guys, I'm going to smash your boy. There's the testilon disputed, they will not see you coming. You rise, you work every single day, tirelessly work, damn it, work, Nomi son get it 18 Nomi son 19 son ye one more car. It's time you realize that weakness it is my strength, that pain it is my development, that struggle it is my triumph. Everything you think that is here to take me down, it's here to build music. Happy ask you, what is happening to us, my friend? What is happening to us, and what are we becoming? What are we becoming, my friend? What are we becoming? Music. We've been fighting 400 and still fighting to this day. At practice, when I'm training or during games, I switch my mind to something else. Switch my mode into something else. Right for me it's the equivalent of Maximus Decius Meridius and Gladiator, picking up the dirt, smelling the dirt. It's go time. He never underdid things, he always overdid. Music. Sings again, tip it in the sha. Again, if it's life-giving, if it's serving your purpose, if it's going to transform you into something you never thought you could be, then do it again, tip it in the sha. Drop it in the common man again. This thing served me, this thing helped me, it hurt but it's helping me, and it's building a bridge to the future and the destiny that I've been called to fulfill. Period. Every time you go back, you're building muscle, you're building mentality, you're building endurance. You're establishing faith. It takes a faith to get out of this, to crawl yourself out of a messy history and leave a legacy. It is the man that refused to quit, it is the man that refused to put down his gloves that separate winners from WN. It is diligence and dedication and determination that separate the whole time. Grace from the one it wonders. Do you want to do this thing one time, or do you want to be notorious for winning over and over again? He just want to know, is anybody listening that wants to do it again? He don't want to win one time, he don't want to be noticed one time, he don't want to make his history one time, he want to do it over and over again. Do it again, no matter how hard it was, no matter how much you cried and you sweat and you bled. Do it again. Again, your goals are posted on your wall, you commit privately and publicly to the call that's on your life. You think about it day and night, whatever the goal is. It's time to shatter the ceiling above your head, to break record, to shatter the statu quo, to punch through targets. It's your time, it's your turn. You've doubted yourself long enough, people have left you, overlooked you, undervalued you, underpaid you. It's your time to connect. It's your time to get paid. It's your time to sign the deal. It's your time. If you quit, go back, dust yourself off and try one more time. Show me your habit and he will show you your future. It is what we do habitually. It is what we do every single day that determines the measure of significance that we get to live this life. Everybody wants to drive something. Live somewhere, be connected. There are protocols that must be in place. There are actions that must be taken, not just Thoughts that you must think but words that you must speak and actions that must be taken and coordinate to where it is that you are going somewhere, you were either going back or you were going forward. Everybody wants a comeback but nobody wants a setback. You can't have a comeback without a setback. You are going to experience a loss. You are going to have seasons in your life where you're not going to understand why and how you got where you are. Many of you have been the villain in your own story and it's time to become the hero. The drama and the chaos. The narrative is about to change. The story is about to clear up. This is not a conversation about going back to everything that you left. There are some things there are some people, there are some places that once we leave we don't ever need to go back because we were tormented and we were haunted and we were abused and we were talked about and we were overlooked and undervalued and underpaid. The reason why you didn't win is because you gave up too soon. You took the exit too quickly. You were on the freeway to freedom. You were en route. You were following the instruction. You were following the coaching. You were listening to the video. Somebody droit in the comment. I'm listening, I'm listening, I'm listening, I'm staying the course, I'm focused, I'm dialed in it. The man that stays on the freeway in the middle of a traffic jam and doesn't exit. That reaches the point of destiny. Will you put in the work? Will you stay the course? Will you try it again? Are you willing to change perspective, to see this thing differently, to get to the place of optimal performance and significance of fulfillment where every day you are looking for life you have en expectation? You have a zeal, you're excited, you're ecstatic, you've got a bold anticipation for the future. With each day that is presented to you, you have an opportunity to change everything, whatever it is, if it's life-giving, if it's going to impact someone else, if it's going to empower you to live a life of fulfillment and significance, then do it. Again, you may be in a courtroom, you may be in a cage, you may be on the basketball court, you may be on the football field, you may be down by 40 at halftime. It is the man that comes back round after round that may have taken a beating physically but is not broken mentally, that comes back round after round after round after round and he goes back into the dark room and he puts the work and he comes back out into the light and he puts on a show. Puis on a show. I'm talking to every builder, every athlete, every professional, every stay at home and every father that puts in the work day and night to provide for his family. He don't know what your dream is, he don't see your vision, but if you write it down and you put the work in and you beat on your crab and you give on everything you have and you give yourself to your work, at some point everything's going to begin to shift and change because you refuse to quit. This isn't just a conversation about trying again, this is a conversation about winning again. When we try something again and again, eventually when we set a target and we begin to run towards it, no matter how many times we are beaten out, eventually we run through the target, and so trying again becomes win again. And it just came to tell somebody today that's listening to me that eventually you're not going to be the man or the woman, the boy, the girl that try again. Eventually there is a warrior inside of you that will emerge. There is a person that refuses to lose, that will be birthed out of a setback, and you are no longer the person who is known for coming back from a loss, but you are known for the person that wins again and again and again, no matter how many times he fought this giant he have surrounded by walls 100 times taller than me. They got to fall down because he have made winning a happy win again. Punch through again. You got to get out of this trying mentality. I'm going to try and make it with a try. Will. Break out of the I'm a I'll try to smile, I'll try to be happy, I'll try to make it a good day. Will smile, he will. Make it a good day, he will win again, he will bring my am again, he will give it. Everything he have again. This mentality, this approach to living is what builds the bridge to the future. This is how we say our legacy is a man, she is a woman that was born to shock the world, and you're going to find. You're going to find, you're going to find, you're going to find, and then you're going to win, and that's life without those challenge. It's just existence, don't just exist, go live. Eventually inaction will cost you. But your default setting should be I'm going to do something, just get up, move towards that challenge and go attack it, go do something that's hard. Struggle sucks depends on how you frame it. If you want freedom in your life, you have to have discipline, move towards that challenge, whatever that challenge is, and you may be successful and you may not be successful, but you will be better, and the next change you're going to be more prepared for, because we're going to have wins, we're going to have loss, we're going to have successes, we're going to have failure, we're going to have good nights, we're going to have bad nights, we're going to have good relationships, we're going to have bad relationships, we're going to have good ideas and bad ideas, we're going to make money, we're going to lose money. All these things are going to happen, and if you oscillate emotionally up and down drastically, it's going to be problematic. Embrace those emotions, but don't let those emotions embrace you. Keep pushing through things that suck. This is a very difficult thing to do.